and welcome back to step number 3 in the installation of our air launcher in our Pro Mod. Now for the last step, we're going to talk about inside the compartment as far as hooking up and the final hookup for the air. So as you pan over here, as you'll see, a couple things I want to point out. Right down here is where our actual air bottle is located. Right there's our air bottle. And we have a line that runs up that would technically run all the way to our activator right there for the chutes. But this is a 3/8 inch line and I've got a 1/4 inch line here. So what I ended up having to do is I got a T at the local store with a slip in for a 1/4 inch. So I have a 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch, and a 3/8 inch. And simply what I did is install these pieces. So what I actually do now I have the air flowing still to the activator that will activate this handle forward to release the chutes. But it also provides air pressure to the 2 cylinders that we just installed in the back of the car. So what is going to happen is in a normal circumstance, when you're going along and you're at your end of your run, you'll push the button on the steering wheel, and when you push the button on the steering wheel, you will have this will move forward, releasing the chute cables. The air pressure that's in this line will then jet us out, or the actual pistons, and push both of the chutes out into the air. Remember, you want to target for at least a 30-degree angle so you get the chutes out to blossom as soon as possible. So that pretty much is the installation. Really, you know, it may look daunting, but it's really a simple installation. Hey, I look at it this way: if I can do it, you can do it without any problem whatsoever. Just you have to have all the right parts, the tools, map out how you want to do it and what the application is going to look like before you start, and have everything prepared. And then once you get going, you'll find out that it'll just go ABC. Of course, Stroud put some great instructions in with the kit, so please take the time to go over the instructions first. Unless you're a man, then you go, I don't need no stinking instructions. But hey, it would be a cool thing for you to look at it and take a look to be sure that you're prepared for what's going to be coming up during the installation, so you don't get upset and mad, right? And throw it all out into the garbage can. So, hey, listen, I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope it was educational. Most of all, I hope it was entertaining as all hell. So thank you very much. Please check us out. All this information will be on our blog at usebasicmotorsports.com, and take a look at our site. There's a ton of parts for all race applications. If you're circle, if you're open, if you're drag, if you're off-road. We have a complete line of trucks, things, hot rod, classic car, street car, modern muscle. We've got it covered for all the motorheads out there in the world. So thank you very much. We appreciate your time. Looking forward to talking to you again and seeing you. And please keep liking us, follow us, check us out. We're on all the social platforms. Thanks, big thumbs up to everybody, and thanks everybody for your support for Use Basic Motorsports Performance Parts at usebasicmotorsports.com.